There we go. All right, to stay clean, you want to use your Citrus Safe. All you have to do is, on a cold grate, give it a good spray down here. Oh, this works really well. Like that, right? A little bit of Citrus Safe. Then you're going to take one of your brushes, right? And Citrus Safe sells a bunch of different types of nylon brushes. Very, very safe to use. And you just give it a nice, in fact, you got a real hard bristle here. You can really work on some of this stuff. Yeah. There we go. Mix it down a little bit. Oh, smells good. All right. Simple enough. Then all you do is take a damp rag and just brush it down. There you go. Stay safe. Sterile for sure. And all ready to go. So check out Citrus Safe, the store near you, and you'll get it at Walmart as well. Check it out. Thumbs up. Cool.
Throw that yourself, Jeff?
All right.
It's good.
Garden fresh.
Where do you put your burgers on?
Get some tomatoes going here. All right.
Green chilies.
Put some green chilies. Use your favorite brand. There you go. We're adding into about, what's that?
3.5 pounds of ham.
About 3.5 pounds of ground beef. There we go. Now this is the El Diablo burger, so it requires some more hot sauce. Give it a good mix. Oh. Beautiful.
Yeah, a little bit more stuff here.
There you go. All right. I'm going to season it with a little SPG.
SPG.
There you go, right there.
Can't use too much of that. Right? That's good stuff.
There you go.
Good stuff. Hey, smell even better. Oh, I can smell the heat. And it isn't coming from that grill.
Oh, man.
Work. That's right.
Chef Harvey here. We're going to be doing some El Diablo burgers at the pit. You got to check this out. So, all right, let's do it. It's real easy to do.
Okay, let's start burning up our rolls.
All right. So we're going to toast these up first.
Yep.
All right. Put them on your fancy ass grill here. And we'll get these browned up just a little bit before we start making the El Diablo. So, oh yeah. Cool. So, we're going to make the sriracha sauce?
Yeah.
All right.
For the topping for the burgers.
All right. So, all right. So, we got some mayo here.
Yep.
All right. And we got sriracha. So, let's see. Add that to the mayo. That's a perfect sauce right there, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
I got a woman from middle class.
Cool, right there. All right. Now we're going to get this sriracha mayo sauce on these toasted rolls. Oh. Now,
Somewhat in place here.
get these dressed up.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh yeah. Talk about a sandwich. There you go. 2 more burgers. Now 4. Cover on. Yeah. Now we got a nice pepper cheese there.
Horseradish cheddar.
Horseradish cheddar.
Ooh.
Perfect for the El Diablo. Oh yeah. How about that?
Okay.
Now, the El Diablos have to have, obviously, some jalapenos, sliced pickled jalapenos. Nice. Perfect. Lord have mercy. Now, we got some crispy fried onions here. Add a little crunch to the El Diablo. Keep them together. You got it. You got to stick them. Oh, this is crazy. Beautiful. Damn. It's a $100 burger right here. There we go. All right. Nice. All right. I say it's time to eat. El Diablo Burgers, help yourself. Look at that.
Perfect.
Oh, man.
Ooh.
You kidding me?
Comes with a toothpick.
Ooh-wee. Uh-oh.
Look at that, huh?
Look at that.
Smells good.
Oh, man.
Look at this guy.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Everybody's got theirs. All right, this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you, and we're not apologizing.
Good.
Oh, man. El Diablo. Holy moly. This weighs about 8 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Nice kick to it.
Great job, chef. Look at that. You don't want to eat this in the front seat of your Cadillac. Look at the juices coming off of here.
Finger looking good, that's all. I just feel a little tang in it.
Anyway, as we always say, the next time we're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh,